You might know them as UFOs, but the military now officially uses UAP to emphasize a shift from speculative flying saucers to documented unexplained observations. This change reflects a commitment to a scientific approach, focusing on verifiable data from advanced sensor systems rather than anecdotal accounts alone. It's about data-driven inquiry into what our sensors are truly detecting in our skies. Among the most famous cases detailed in the files is the Tic Tac UAP, encountered by Navy pilots from the USS Nimitz Carrier Strike Group in 2004. This object, shaped like a Tic Tac candy, performed maneuvers that defy conventional physics, including instant acceleration and rapid changes in altitude. It was tracked on radar, visually observed by multiple pilots, and captured on infrared cameras. Another compelling video, dubbed Gimbal, shows a UAP rotating against the wind, maintaining an impossible orientation while traveling at high speed. Recorded by a Navy F-18 Super Hornet in 2015, the object displayed no visible propulsion system or exhaust plume. Its ability to seemingly defy aerodynamic principles left seasoned aviators puzzled and without an explanation. The Go Fast video, also from 2015, captured a UAP moving at an astonishing speed over water, seemingly immune to drag. This object appears to be barely above the surface, yet its velocity is estimated in the hundreds of miles per hour. The lack of any discernible wings or control surfaces, combined with its incredible speed, challenges our current understanding of flight. AARO's subsequent reports have expanded on these observations, identifying several anomalous characteristics that defy known technology or natural phenomena. These include objects demonstrating capabilities far exceeding existing human-made aircraft, maintaining stationary positions in high winds, and moving without discernible means of propulsion. You are looking at something truly different. Researchers studying these UAP incidents have identified 5 key observables, characteristics that consistently appear across the most compelling cases. These 5 attributes consistently defy our current understanding of aerodynamics and physics. Understanding these properties is crucial to distinguishing genuine anomalies from misidentified conventional objects or sensor errors. The first observable is trans-medium travel, where UAPs transition seamlessly between air and water, or even space, without any apparent slowdown or structural damage. This phenomenon suggests an ability to operate in vastly different environments, enduring extreme pressures and speeds. Imagine an object that functions perfectly both in the sky and deep underwater. Next is the observable of instantaneous acceleration, where UAPs can achieve incredible velocities from a complete standstill, or change direction at speeds that would crush any human pilot. These abrupt maneuvers generate G-forces far beyond anything our most advanced jets could withstand. Such rapid, unexplained changes in momentum defy Newton's laws of motion. The third observable is hypersonic velocity without sonic boom, where UAPs travel at speeds exceeding Mach 5 yet produce no observable sonic signature. Terrestrial aircraft create massive shock waves at these speeds, yet these objects seem to move silently and effortlessly. This absence of a sonic boom points to an unknown method of propulsion or atmospheric interaction. Fourth, UAPs often display low observability, meaning they lack conventional heat signatures, laid-out reflections, or other attributes that would normally betray an aircraft's presence. They appear to actively suppress or manipulate their detectability by military sensors. This stealth capability is far beyond any known technology, making them incredibly difficult to track. Finally, the fifth observable is positive drift, where UAPs demonstrate the ability to achieve and maintain flight without any visible wings, rotors, or propulsion jets. They appear to generate their own lift, defying the principles of aerodynamics that govern all human-made aircraft. This suggests an entirely different approach to generating sustained flight. Since 2004, the Pentagon and intelligence agencies have amassed hundreds of UAP reports, with the latest unclassified summary citing over 510 documented cases. The sheer volume of these incidents, many involving highly trained military observers and advanced sensor data, makes them impossible to simply dismiss as isolated anomalies. This growing data set demands serious scientific scrutiny. Yet, you must understand that not every UAP is an extraterrestrial craft. Many reports are eventually resolved as balloons, drones, or sensor glitches. The true challenge lies in systematically filtering out these misidentifications to isolate the genuinely anomalous cases. It's a meticulous process of elimination requiring extensive data analysis and expert review. Unlike historical efforts like Project Blue Book, which often started with skepticism, today's UAP investigation is more data-driven and open to genuine unknowns. This shift in approach acknowledges the limitations of past methods, fostering an environment where military personnel can report sightings without fear of ridicule or career repercussions. The stigma is slowly dissipating. The scientific community is also becoming increasingly involved, with NASA launching its own independent study team to analyze unclassified UAP data. This independent scientific review brings diverse expertise to the problem, applying rigorous methodologies to evaluate the available evidence. Their findings will add a crucial layer of academic scrutiny to the official reports. Some of the most grounded explanations for certain UAPs include exotic atmospheric phenomena, such as unique forms of ball lightning or plasma discharges. These rare natural occurrences could theoretically produce luminous, fast-moving objects that might deceive sensor systems or human perception. Scientists nearly missed this entirely in earlier reports. While the official UAP reports deliberately avoid discussing the extraterrestrial origins, the possibility remains a compelling, albeit speculative, hypothesis for some of the truly anomalous cases. The sheer defiance of known physics observed in the 5 observables keeps this conversation alive for many scientists and the public. The real answer might be far stranger. Encouraging military pilots and personnel to report UAP sightings without stigma is critical for gathering more robust data. Historically, fear of ridicule led to underreporting, but now a structured reporting system allows for consistent collection of crucial information. This institutional shift is vital for building a comprehensive understanding. New generations of sensor technology are also playing a vital role in enhancing our ability to detect and characterize UAPs. Advanced infrared cameras, multispectral imagers, and sophisticated radar systems provide clearer, more detailed data. This improved instrumentation allows for more precise measurements and reduces the likelihood of misidentification. The UAP investigations are an ongoing process, with the Pentagon committed to regular updates and increased transparency within national security constraints. This commitment means you can expect more reports, more data, and potentially more official videos to be released over time. The journey to understanding these phenomena has only just begun. Ultimately, the UAP files reveal that there are genuinely unexplained phenomena operating in our skies, documented by credible sources and advanced technology. These observations challenge our understanding of physics, aerospace engineering, and potentially our place in the universe. The implications of these ongoing mysteries are truly profound. What do you think these UAP files truly reveal? Share your theories in the comments below. If you found this dive into the Pentagon's released UAP information as awe-inspiring and mysterious as we did, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more explorations into the unknown. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the cosmos.